Here is my earnings proof. Made over $40,000 and $1,732 on 2 different platforms. Here's how. One day, I did Google search on how to make money online, and the #1 method was to start freelancing. But I didn't have any skills. So I went on YouTube and started watching video editing and graphic design tutorials, because these were the only 2 skills in which I was most interested in. And I was confident enough to start practicing, but I wanted to make money fast and didn't have time to practice. And then I found out about AI tools. I started experimenting with Midjourney and created many different designs of artwork, and those were pretty awesome. So I monetized my skills and signed up on 2 freelancing platforms, Upwork and Fiverr. Created a compelling profile with the help of ChatGPT. And here are the results. I made over $40,000 on Upwork alone, and when I go to the stats, I made over $12,000 in the past 12 months and earned a top-rated plus badge. And this is my last week's earnings, which is on hold for a security period till 14th of June. I made $400 last week, out of which 10% is the Upwork fee, and I'll receive around $367. And here is my Fiverr profile. I made $1,732 completely using AI. You can do it too. Here's how. First, go to ChatGPT and log in with your Google account. Now go to Fiverr platform. The link is in the video description. Under the popular services, click on AI artists. Sort the listings by best-selling and take a look at the artwork and what others are doing. Once you get an idea, you can now go back to the home page and in the search box, type logo design or any other topic in which you want to work using AI. Click on sort by and choose best-selling. Now you can see that this gig is ranking #1 in the logo design category. Click on it to open. In the gig description, you can see that this guy provides logo design services in these styles. But he also mentioned that he doesn't design cartoon and mascot logos. But since you are going to use AI, you should include these styles in your gig too. Just copy this description, open Microsoft Word, paste the description, copy the bold text and phrases and paste below. Change this I do not into I also. Now copy the whole text and go to ChatGPT. Write this prompt as please treat these words and phrases as main SEO keywords and keep them unchanged in the below text. And also treat the below text as a sales page and rewrite it in a compelling style. Now put those phrases here in quotes and paste the gig description here. Now ChatGPT will create a nice compelling description, but Fiverr limits the gig description length by characters. So I wrote another prompt to make it shorter. And here is the fresh description, completely rewritten and optimized. Next step is to create an account on Fiverr. Complete the account process by up to 65%. Make sure you follow these exact steps when creating an account on Fiverr and filling out the important information about your logo design service. Then create a gig. From the other gig, scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the relevant keywords and tags. Copy and paste them in Notepad and then use them in your own gig. After that, click on Save and Continue. In the scope and pricing page, you can copy the data from that gig and try to rewrite it in your own style. Select other settings similar to this. Put the pricing according to your preference, but I'm putting the standard prices which are common on the platform. Now paste your gig description, which we generated earlier from ChatGPT. You could also let ChatGPT to rewrite multiple times, and then you can choose specific sentences from each response. Now write some questions and answer them as well. This is for the gig's FAQ section, which the client will see. Next, add some questions so that when someone places his order on your gig, Fiverr will collect relevant information from the client and send it to you for review. And the last step is to generate your gig's banner. You don't need to design a fancy banner. On the right side, we have the information about the size of the banner, which we can create in Canva. But before that, you should generate 2 to 3 random logos with AI and then move on to Canva. So in order to deliver your Fiverr logo orders, you need an AI tool such as Midjourney. But since Midjourney is no longer a free option, you can start working on this gig by using another free AI tool, which is OpenArt AI. Use your own style of prompt to generate 1 logo at a time and generate 3 different logos, and also add in the prompt as no text. Otherwise, I'd highly suggest using Midjourney since it's better than other generative AI. A Midjourney logo prompt should look like this. Here are some examples of prompts for midjourney, which you can use to create different styles of logos. These are some common prompts and you can customize them accordingly. Once you have generated the logos, you can go to Vectorizer AI and upload the logo image. From here, you can easily convert your AI logos into vectors for maximum quality. It is even better if you know a little bit of Photoshop to clean the logo, but it's not necessary. There is also a free Photoshop tool online, PhotoPeep. It works exactly the way Photoshop works, and you can easily refine your logos from here. To design the gig's banner, let's go to Canva website and click on Create a Design at the top right corner. Then click on Custom Size. Put those banner dimensions here. Then click on Create New Design. Next step is to click on Uploads button from the left sidebar and upload your generated logos. Go to the Shapes section and select a rectangle to create a colored background. In this example, I'm going to place two different logos, so I will create and merge two backgrounds like this. Now place your logos in the center. When it's ready, click on Share button from top right corner, and then select Download. Go back to your Fiverr gig and upload this image and set it as gig's thumbnail. Also click here to add some tags for this image. This will help us to rank our gig better. Use the relevant keywords here, and it will be all fine. And lastly, click on Save and Continue button. Now click on Save and Preview to check the newly created gig. If there are any mistakes, you can always edit it easily and republish. Make sure to check the packages, prices, description, gig extras, FAQ section, and all the info that you provided. Since this gig is new right now, you can ask ChatGPT on how to market your gig. It will generate a list of different methods. But the most effective ways to market your gig is to go to Pinterest website, create a normal or idea pin, copy your gig page URL from Fiverr, paste it here. Add title and description accordingly, but make sure to keep it simple and use relevant keywords, which we previously used in tags section of your Fiverr gig because we want to rank number 1 on Fiverr. Second method is to go to Twitter and create a tweet. Just post your gig link and write some relevant hashtags and also the trending hashtags at the time of creating the tweet. This will send the tracking data back to Fiverr so that it starts recommending your gig to other people on the platform. But it takes 2 to 3 days for new sellers to be seen. You could also create multiple gigs for different styles of images, as other freelancers are already doing it on the platform. Fiverr works on gig rankings. Since we have an optimized description, it will surely get some impressions from the search results. And if you think this method is hard, then I highly recommend watching this video where I shared a complete method of creating 500 fresh YouTube shorts on automation all at once, and you can schedule them on your channel. Hope to see you there. Peace out.